Hey, Miss Angle, how you doing? Let me talk to her.
She's not here.
Yeah, man, I know she's not there. Yeah, man. Fifi, what go on? Yeah, alright. We bring your package, come here, so you're not there here, so we'll leave it to your grandma. Oh, you like the service so far?
Huh?
Oh, you like the service so far?
No one is great. I like it.
You like it?
Yeah,
Nice.
I'm always from when since January.
Yeah?
I'm on them. Yeah.
Nice.
But we usually take the delivery in more.
Okay, okay. Alright. We're there, we'll drop it off, so everything good, alright?
Alright.
Take care of yourself.
Yeah. How much package to choose?
It's six items.
Okay.
You did combine shipment them?
Yes, I did.
Alright, good.
Right.
So you save even more.
Because of the 6 I expect.
Alright, very good. Alright, then take care of yourself later, yeah?
Alright, thank you.
Alright, thank you too. Alright, good, thank you, yeah? Grandma, have a good one. Alright, guys, you see? You know, for the woman now, we drop off the package to grandma if you want. I hope you heard what she said. She loved the service. She's with us a good while now. She used to be in Portmore. Now she's here in Kingston. And we'll find her and drop off our package, alright? Guys, there's a link. Click on the link. You can't stress it enough. Click on the link, join us today, check us out. Remember, your first item that you ship is shipped for free. So I want you to try us out. If you like it, stay. If you don't like it, fine. Alright? So go ahead, click on the link, join us today. Alright, pick up on yourself. Kingston, be wise. Later.